Hi folks, and thank you for spending time today. I'm going to show you this video presentation of this Jayco product. It's the 2019. It's part of their SLX series they have from Jayco, and it is going to be a 242, so it's a 24-foot roughly on the box size. It's going to have two big double bunks in the back and a corner bathroom, and it's going to have a pretty nice good sized slide out in the middle there. So we'll start on the inside and we'll finish up out here. Obviously a big deal when it comes to bunkhouse models or having pretty good sized beds. And nowadays with the kids getting taller and bigger and all that, it's nice to have some more space. So these have the big double over double here. There's a little handle to get up and down if they need to. And then you have the same area down below with these little curtains that come across to separate that. This also has a larger refrigerator, so this model makes it nice that you can have a little more extra space in there. That's an 8 cubic foot instead of a 6. And then your rest of your kitchen area in here with this new counters. They kind of improved the counters where they don't have the little stick-on seams on the corners. So a real improvement on how they did the counters here with that pull-down faucet as well. It's tied up right now for being brand new, but it makes it a real nice single lever faucet there with the split sink, storage overhead as well. Makes it nice. And then in the area where your slide out is, that's going to be a U-shaped booth, so you can sit quite a few people around that playing games and everything. And if you all want to be inside out of some bad weather or whatever, you can do that. When we look towards the back over here, this does have this area here for storage. Can't get enough. That's nice to have that storage you have in the kitchen. And then in the bathroom area, you'll see here, this features a very, very large stand-up shower. You know, a low step opening, but a huge big shower in there for those tall kids and adults and everything. So you're going to have a big bathroom in there. You got your sink storage underneath down below here a little bit. And then you have the medicine cabinet, which you can see here has some added space there. So it makes it nice. So good sized bathroom. And again, that shower is a big deal in there. If you want to have a bunkhouse model, a lot of them just come with tubs, which are pretty small, so that's a nice shower area there. You do have some drawers in that kitchen area we forgot to point out too. It's kind of nice here. And then again, added counter space. You do have some other storage areas up in this area where the entertainment center is, and you have some overhead as well. So you've got a place here to put a TV, and again, it's already got the entertainment center here ready for that with your cable to hook up. When you go around back here in the bedroom, master bedroom, you are going to have the doors instead of having curtains, which makes it real nice. You have some storage up here for soft storage, and then you're going to have your hanging closet here and on that side with nightstands on both sides as well. And you know, nice bedding, nice pillow shams, and then pretty good sized grade of mattress as far as mattresses go. And so that's nice from Jayco there. And we do have the window treatments. They've improved a little bit. You have the darker shades that come down you see here for your privacy, and you also have these nice wood kind of finishes around the windows, make it a nice finish as well too. So we can go on the outside and take a look there of what there is in the way of the patio. And this has a really nice big awning on there with the speakers built into those arms. It makes it nice to spread that music out here when you want to entertain in this area. You spend most of your outside time. Really makes it nice. You have Goodyear tires on the Jayco product this year, which makes it also nice for nationwide servicing. This right here is locked, I apologize, but that's got the outside kitchen area inside. That'll have an area there to kind of, if you want to have a refrigerator and maybe do some cooking, you can use that area there. They have the ladder up top here. Now with Jayco products and everything, they do have the strongest roof in the industry, so it's a Magnum Truss roof. You can read about it on the Jayco's website. It's pretty cool, and you can call and ask me at the end of this video with that phone number. I can tell you more questions, answer more of your questions you might have. There is a pre-wired for the backup camera. They're starting to do more of that nowadays. You see pretty much LED throughout the coach inside and out. Let's go back up towards the front, and I'll show you a couple more things there. The pass-through storage that runs all the way through there makes it nice for extra space. And you have your tanks up front with your power tongue jack and room in behind for having up to a couple batteries if needed as well too. And I like the little diamond plate here. And the more of a traditional front there allows us a little more headroom, a little more room around that bed inside the coach. So you're going to find that at Jayco products they offer a 2-year warranty, which is twice what anybody else really does in the industry, which is pretty cool. And That makes it nice. Also guarantee we do free roof inspections for our customers twice a year. So give me a call at the end of the video if you have any more questions. My name is Tom Peterson and love to help you. I've been here 28 years. So remember, here at Junction City at Guarantee, it's an RV show every day.